React India is inspiring,
Fantabulous,
empowering,
power pack, future ready, enlightening,
vibrant,
awesome, emotion.
Welcome to React India 2025.
Hey everyone, I'm Ankit and I just gave a talk about the story of 2 World Cups.
This is my first tech gig on a large-scale tech gig like React India, and so far it has been one of the most exciting gigs I've ever done throughout my MC career.
Yeah, React India has been really welcomed, all the teams, all the members, it's really great.
I have been into multiple tech talks, but React India stands out.
I already had so many enriching conversations with partners, sponsors, and the attendees who come from so many different backgrounds.
It's actually enlightening. I actually met a lot of people, I had a lot of discussion with people, which made me realize there are a lot of more things that I should learn.
and yeah, the experience so far has been great and React India has been lovely.
It is pretty amazing. If you have never been in a React India conference, you should be there.
I would say React India is the people, the community coming together in this beautiful setting.
Oh, the organizers were really helpful, and shout out to Faizan and Sahil for helping us out to make our booth successful.
And the other highlight for me is really the community. It's amazing to see what this community does for React and the kind of innovation it really has. Really a pleasure for me to be here with all of them.
Launched our agentic AI with React book, and it was sold out. All copies sold out. We're super excited. Thank you, React India.
The React India team has done an incredible job at bringing together this event. They've been hugely welcoming from the start, from when I was getting my business visa through to making sure that I was okay during the event and making sure that I had everything I need to succeed in my job.